The New Jersey housing market is bucking the national trend of a slowdown and appears to be still running full steam ahead. In today's video, we're going to look at what's going on with home prices in New Jersey, why we're seeing such strength, and what the underlying supply and demand data is showing us for what's ahead. Let's get into it. Today's regional analysis video is viewer requested, and as promised, I'm covering it for you. If you have a particular metropolitan area you'd like to see me do a regional analysis video on, leave it in the comment section below. It's first come, first serve, and I'm looking at all the comments and keeping track of them as they come in. Also, I just put up a poll in the community section of the channel asking what kind of content you'd like to see the most of in the future. So if you haven't already, please visit it and put your vote in. I'll put a link to it in the description section down below. All right, enough talk. Let's get right into the New Jersey data. The median home price in the state of New Jersey was $455,000 on a seasonally adjusted basis as of June, the latest monthly data we have from Redfin. This was up from $449,000 the previous month. New Jersey prices have been running strong with continued month-over-month increases, while the U.S. overall median home price saw its first month-over-month decline since the pandemic started. So, what could account for the strength in the local market? Well, affordability is a big one, as well as migration out of the New York area. Comparing the median home price for the state of New Jersey with the state of New York, it's easy to see why. The New York median home price in June was $563,000 on a seasonally adjusted basis, much higher than the $455,000 for the state of New Jersey in the same month. According to a survey by a local New York area moving company, Jersey City was one of the more popular destinations for those leaving New York City, and we see the clear affordability advantage between these two. The median home price in New York City was $810,000 in June compared to $683,000 for Jersey City. Now, compared to the national average of the state of New Jersey, median home price is holding up strong and has benefited from this migration out of New York, given its affordability advantage. So now let's take a look at the underlying supply and demand statistics to see how these fundamentals are performing. On the supply side, we are seeing a very tight market with inventory near record lows. Current listings are ticking up a bit, primarily because of a drop in sales, which we'll look at shortly. But the number of new listings is trending at multi-year lows, even going back before the pandemic. This tight supply is definitely supporting the price trends we looked at earlier. On the demand side, here's the home sales that are heading back to pre-pandemic levels. The continued downtrend is why we're seeing the inventory tick up a bit, and it is evident here in the month supply, which measures how fast the current inventory would be exhausted at the current pace of sales. Despite the downtrend in sales, other demand statistics have remained robust. The sales to list price ratio continues to head higher and set a new record in June. This is in contrast to what we see in the nation overall, which registered one of its biggest one-month drops in the recorded data. So while sales volumes are returning to pre-pandemic levels, the intensity of demand remains strong as homes are selling above list price on average still. So that's what we have for the state of New Jersey. It is a particularly strong market right now, especially considering the slowdown we're seeing at the national level. Housing demand statistics, like the sales to list price ratio, are still setting records, and supply is extremely tight, without a lot of new listings coming on the market. Time will tell if New Jersey can weather the storm that is coming, with record levels of unaffordability all over the country. But right now, it's in pretty good shape. If you're in the New Jersey area, please share this video with as many people as you can to support the channel. And if you'd like me to do a regional analysis video on another metropolitan area, leave that in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already, I hope you will consider subscribing to this channel and hit that notification bell down below so you know right away when my next video comes out. And please give this video a thumbs up. Again, support the channel, help it grow. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.